Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to unbox the brand new iPhone SE 3rd generation. So the brand new iPhone SE was announced at Apple's spring event, where they also announced a couple of other products, but this one is basically in the same form factor as the iPhone 8, and this is the same form factor it's had since the 2020 version of the iPhone SE. Well, the big changes with this one is the fact that it comes with an A15 chip and features 5G support. Comes in 3 different colors, comes in Midnight, Starlight, and Product Red, 3 storage capacities, 64 gigs, 128 gigs, and 256 gigs. The pricing starts at $429 for the 64, $479 for 128, and $579 for 256 gigs. Now, the one I purchased is the Midnight, and it came in at a price of $429. So let's go ahead and open the Apple box here. So Apple's packaging, even before you get to the actual packaging, is pretty nice. So here we reveal our iPhone SE. And then you can just open it up like so. Now, as with Apple's other packaging, this is going to be the same. Still thin here. It does not include the power adapter anymore. On the front, we have a picture of the phone with that nice new wallpaper, iPhone on either side, and Apple logo on the top and bottom. On the back, you can see it just says iPhone SE, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. It includes the iPhone SE, USB-C to Lightning cable, and then we have power adapter and headphones sold separately. I have a little green tab here. We'll go ahead and pull this. I did not see the other tab. Let me take that off too. Now we can actually open the box. And here we reveal our Midnight Black iPhone SE 3rd generation. Now on the front, you can see it's a little different. We actually have a little icons showing what everything does. So we have the ringer switch, plus and minus for volume, and your power key, as well as your home button, and even a little lightning right there where the charger is. What else comes in the box? We have our lightning to USB-C. And then on top of that, we have a small, designed by Apple in California. We have a SIM card tool, as well as one Apple sticker. Now, something that strikes me a little odd is the SIM card tool looks a little different. So out of curiosity, I got my iPhone 12 Pro box, and I couldn't find my 13 Pro box, but I was just curious to see if this one actually has the same kind of SIM card tool. It does not. So Apple cheaped out on the SIM card tool on the SE. That's pretty interesting. All right, now before we turn it on, we'll go ahead and give you some peel action here. All right, and here we are at the home screen. So this is what it's going to look like here. Just to check out the version here, we are on iOS 15.4, as you can see, and out of the box we have 52.14 gigs with the 64 gig model. So just in case you were curious about that. All right, just to check out the new wallpaper that are included with the SE, we have 3 new ones down here, so you can see they're multicolored. So depending on if you choose light or dark mode, you can see this is a nice black, blue, green, purple, goes back to black. This one is purple, it goes into red, have yellow, pink kind of mixed in there. And then we have another one with black, red, purple, goes into like a teal and a blue. But they look really, really nice overall. So quick first impressions here. This is a very familiar design. So if you've ever had an older iPhone prior to the iPhone 10 series, you will know this and recognize this immediately. Huge bezels on the top and bottom. We have that home button. This is a basic touch home button, so you have the Touch ID built in. The home button actually doesn't move. This is water resistant. You have only one camera on the back. There's no night mode, but this does have that faster A15 processor and does include 5G, which I'll check out a little bit more later on down the road. But it is, again, a very familiar design. So here's an iPhone 8. This is from 2017, and you can definitely see the similarities here. Same design, same screen size. Now, one thing I did notice is that the weight is less or so on the SE, because this one actually had 3D touch, and that is not included on the new SE or the previous SE. So it is much lighter. But one great thing about this, cases for the iPhone 8 fit the iPhone SE. So there are a plethora of cases out there for the old iPhone 8, iPhone 7 even, and they will fit the new iPhone SE. So if you have continued to buy this design, you will not have any issues finding screen protectors, cases, accessories for this phone, many of which are still out there, and you can find them for really, really cheap too. Alrighty guys, so there you have it, a quick unboxing and first look at the iPhone SE 2022. I know I'm a little late to getting to this video, but here it is, and I'll have some more videos on this coming soon. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.